Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can send order notification to your customer from your Shopify store. So when a user or a customer order a product from your Shopify store, then you can send order notification status to your customer. So first of all, you need to create a WhatsApp API. So how you can create WhatsApp API and what's the benefit of WhatsApp API? All of the video are given on the description. Kindly check out the video so you can understand how you can connect WhatsApp API. So after connecting WhatsApp API, you need to create a message template. So message template is basically a template to a customer you can send. So basically you need to create a template. So in bot manager, if you go to the message template option, here you need to create some variable. The variable are used for the dynamic process. So like the order ID is dynamic and the product name is dynamic and the page link is dynamic and estimated delivery time all will be dynamic, total price will be dynamic. So what you need to do first, you need to create a dynamic variable or dynamic name like variable name. So I give that order ID, so, it will be dynamic. So order ID, then you need to save. Already I have order ID. So you need to create a template. If I go to the template option, if I create general template, then I need to put up the template names. So you need to save this name as a lowercase. Then you need to add this template as a utility because marketing message is costly. So you need to create this as a utility because the order notification on order detail type message will be utility type. So if you want to add some images, then you need to add images and documents, video, what you want. So I already created a message from ChatGPT. So here the username will be your customer name. So I need to, if you need to add this, you need to click on the name section, then it will be added on your message. So here I need to paste it, and then you need to add the product list also. So you need to add product list. So I already created this template. Here you need to add product list, product name, like that. So you need to add this product name and something, product name, product total price, estimated delivery date. You need to save this all. So basically I already created. You need to create this for manually. Then you can also add call to action button or quick replay if you want. So basically we need to add a call to action button as visit our website, like that. So if you want, then you can add. So if I save this template, then it will be saved. So after saving this, it will be submitted on Facebook, and if I refresh this template, then the status is approved. Then we need to go webhook option. After going the webhook option, you need to create a webhook workflow like Shopify order. Then I need to click on my WhatsApp. Then I need to select the message template. So I need to select the message template what we need to send. So I click on the Shopify order, then click on create order flow workflow. So here you need to copy this URL, then go to your Shopify dashboard. Then you need to go the settings. Then here you need to select on notification, then webhook, then create new webhook, event type. So webhook will be order creation, and the format will be JSON. URL will be this link. So after saving the webhook, you need to capture workflow process. Then if I click the workflow capturing, then I need to order something so we can get the data. So if I go to my website and if I add to cart, check out the process, then if I fill up the form, so I just complete a order for demonstration purpose, and the webhook will be captured the data. We need to wait 10 to 15 seconds. So we got the data. Phone number will be customer phone number, and sometime customer added plus sign. So what we need to do, we need to remove the plus sign. We need to data formatter, use data formatter. So plus remover, action type will be trim left, and the stream will be plus sign. So add formatter, we need to add the formatter. Username will be customer name. So here I can select full name, billing name, and formatter, no formatter needed. Product name will be product name. So we need to search name, we need to search product name. So here I found the name. And total price is current total price, and estimated delivery date, what will be the delivery date. So basically I want to delivery date 3 days later. So if you go to there, sorry, I made a mistake. So sometimes customer added too many product, like 3 or 4 products. So what we need to do, we need to product name will be listed. So listed or line item. So we need to search on line item. So if I search the line item, you need to select this line item, and formatter, you need to select a formatter will be line items. The action contact list item, then glue will be comma, and position, you need to position will be name. I mean, if the name position, the item name will be listed. So we need to formatter line item, contact line items, and estimated delivery date. So if we need to add some time, then we need to add delivery date, we need to add 3 days. I mean, my delivery will be 3 days later. So we need to update this delivery date 3 days. And if we need any images, then it will be added. Like we want to add some images for delivery images. So I need to I will add these images for my customer. And if you want to delete, you can add delay. And if you need to add some significant rule, you can add. If you assign your team member, you can also do that. If you add your customer name, then you can add customer name. I mean, if you need to this customer phone number on your database, then you can add your customer name. Then after saving the workflow, if I order a test order, if I do a test order, so I go to my WhatsApp, there is no any message right now. If I go to here and I order a, and if I try to order something, then I order something. And if I go to our workflow, if I refresh it, or if I view it, the message is showing delivered. So my name was Carl Joby, and my expected delivery date is 12th January. This is 9th of January. Total price and product name will be shown here. So this is how you can send order notification from your Shopify store to your WhatsApp user.